This is task 4 of in oasisinfobyte, where I have made a basic weather app. So here is Tkinter library imported, then the request which user can ask in the application to retrieve data of any of the place to see the weather. Then this is the cities. I have used cities, we can also use countries. Okay, then this is the API which I have used. This is my API key. This is API to retrieve the data of the open a weather map. Then here is the data, means the output, humidity, then the date, weather, wind speed, then the pressure. This is the basic. Then here is the full code, how much is wind pressure and all is shown. Then this is a basic app. So this is the layout size of my weather app. This is basic GUI app. Then we can here directly run the app. So here it is app. I have also added some of the recommendation, means this, see, it is recommending me. Then this is the fetch data. This is a nice app. And we can retrieve anything. Okay, so here is a related things, recommendation is added. So here is the full code. It is very basic code.